Have you ever pondered the existence of beings beyond our known universe? Throughout history, cultures across the globe have shared tales that tease the edges of reality, suggesting the presence of entities not of this earth. From the ancient carvings in Egypt, depicting celestial journeys to the Native American legends of star people, these stories weave a tantalizing tapestry of the possible. What if these aren't just myths, but glimpses into a vast, unexplored cosmos? Join us as we delve deeper into the theories and stories surrounding these enigmatic creatures. Ancient civilizations were no strangers to the concept of beings from beyond. Let's delve into the mesmerizing world of ancient texts and myths. Picture the Sumerian tablets engraved thousands of years ago, which speak of the Anunnaki, gods descending from the heavens. Were these merely mythic tales, or could they have been visitors from the stars? Then there's Greek mythology, brimming with stories of gods interacting with humans, often descending from Mount Olympus or arriving in strange, otherworldly chariots. Consider Hermes, who moved freely between the mortal and divine worlds, or the mysterious journeys of gods like Apollo, who was said to travel across the skies in his golden chariot. Moving across the globe, Native American folklore is rich with tales of star beings and sky people, entities that influence their culture and daily life in profound ways. These stories, revered and passed down through generations, blur the lines between myth and a potential otherworldly reality. Could these ancient stories be early accounts of contact with otherworldly beings? Fast forward to modern times, the tales of unknown beings have not ceased. As we dive deeper into the technological era, reports of unusual sightings and encounters with unidentified objects in our skies have significantly increased. From the well-documented incidents of fighter pilots encountering high-speed crafts with no visible propulsion systems, to civilian reports of strange lights and patterns in the sky, our fascination with the unknown continues to grow. Government agencies around the world have started taking these reports more seriously. For instance, the U.S. Department of Defense has established task forces to study unexplained aerial phenomena, releasing declassified videos that fuel public intrigue and scientific investigation. These aren't just stories, they're real events that challenge our understanding of physics and technology. On the scientific frontier, theories like string theory and the concept of a multiverse offer tantalizing possibilities. String theory suggests that beyond our familiar three-dimensional universe, there are hidden dimensions that could harbor forms of life unimaginable to us. Meanwhile, the multiverse theory proposes an infinite number of universes, each potentially containing different versions of reality and perhaps different life forms. These theories not only expand our conception of the cosmos, but also redefine the limits of what life could be. They push the boundaries of our curiosity and compel us to question not just whether we are alone in the universe, but also what it means to exist at all. With advancements in science, are we getting closer to understanding these mysteries, or are they growing even more complex? But how are we actively searching for these unknown beings today? In our quest to pierce the veil of the cosmos, scientists have launched ambitious projects like SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. SETI employs an array of radio telescopes to listen for signals that are not of earthly origin. Imagine vast dishes, spread across the landscape, tuned not to radio stations but to the frequencies of the universe, capturing whispers from the stars. Simultaneously, NASA's Kepler mission has taken a different approach. Launched in 2009, Kepler's space telescope was designed to find Earth-like planets in the habitable zones of other stars. By monitoring the brightness of thousands of stars, researchers can detect the slight dimming that occurs when a planet crosses in front of its star. This data provides crucial insights into the potential abodes of life beyond our solar system. The universe is vast and its mysteries are numerous. Throughout our exploration today, we've danced across the delicate line that separates myth from science, intertwining the ancient with the modern in a quest that stretches the fabric of understanding. From the cryptic depictions in age-old manuscripts to the high-tech instruments scanning the cosmos, each story and theory adds a thread to the intricate tapestry of possibilities. Our journey has shown us that the curiosity about unknown beings isn't just a part of our past, it's a crucial aspect of our future. As technology advances, so does our ability to explore these mysteries more deeply, fueling a cycle of discovery that may one day answer the age-old question, are we truly alone in the universe? What are your thoughts on the existence of unknown beings? Share your stories and join the conversation below. Perhaps together, we can unravel the mysteries that await us.